In this video guys, I'm going to share with you step by step how we made $10,211 just in 13 days with TikTok affiliate marketing program. Okay, I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on TikTok, how do I create content that I use to promote my affiliate links on TikTok, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new method, new services, new strategies, and let's get started. Okay, so I made this commission from the first day of this month of July until the day 13 of July. I made $10,211. This is my commissions, this is my clicks, CTR, first time buyers, people who used my affiliate links to buy those services from my affiliate link. And this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot guys, I can click here. I have my dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, and so on. Okay. Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with TikTok affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address. So this will be your home page after you finish. So just come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down. Go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions and it's profitable. So all you have to do, you just need to click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name here, your last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay. If you have Skype account, it will take just a few minutes. After you finish, so this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on. Okay. So all you have to do now is you just need to choose good services that you will promote on TikTok to earn commission. Okay. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links, affiliate service that I'm promoting on TikTok to earn commission. So what you will do next, go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, go back to this Fiverr homepage, click on the search and search for TikTok manager. Okay, search for TikTok manager. So since we will promote our affiliate links on TikTok, we will choose services related to TikTok. Okay, we will choose services that will help people who are using TikTok to grow their TikTok account. Okay, that's why I choose this one. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, let me see, I'm gonna choose, we have level 1, level 2 seller here, we have this one, top rated seller. I will grow your TikTok engagement and manage it professionally. This one looks really good. This one is top rated seller. So I will choose this one. Just click on the service that you want to use. So for me, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. That's really good. So just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. Okay, and as you can see guys, this seller has one order in queue and 22 reviews. People keep coming back, people keep coming and buying more services from the seller. That's really good. So this seller is providing good service for his customers. So what you will do, you will copy the link of his profile. Okay, copy the link of this seller profile, go back to your Fiverr affiliates account, click over here. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on TikTok. Before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. This seller has a video. Let's check.
Hi, my name is Giselle, and thanks for watching this. In this gig, I'll help your TikTok account grow.
That's really good. The seller has a video explaining his service to his customers and how he will help those people to grow their TikTok account. So what you will do, you will double click on the video, click on save video, and you need to save this video to your laptop. So I'm gonna click on save video and I'm gonna name it TikTok manager and click on save, and that's it. After you finish, go to Google and search for Canva. Okay, search for this website, search for Canva. It's for free, guys. You just need to use your email address. Just click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Click over here on create design and search for TikTok video. Click over here on TikTok video. You will be directly in this page over here like this. Click over here on upload. Okay, click on upload file and upload your video about the TikTok manager service that you uploaded from Fiverr, that you download from Fiverr. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna go to downloads. I'm gonna search for TikTok manager over here. Click on open and your video will be uploaded to your Canva account like this. Okay, super easy. All you have to do next, click on your video, just click on the video and your video will be over here. Okay, so put this video like this. I'm gonna make it like this. Click over here on the background, click on background color, choose black color, and here you go. Click on text. Okay, scroll down, choose good text and a clear text that you can use. Just choose good text, should be clear and looks good. I'm gonna choose this one looking good. Okay, click on the text style that you want to use and your text will be over here like this. Okay, I'm gonna click on this text and I will delete the second one and I'm gonna decrease the font size of this text and double click on this text and write the sentence. Check link in my bio to get TikTok manager. Okay, and make this text like this. Okay, I'm gonna make it like this. Guys, it's super easy and simple. Okay, okay, here you go. Click on this text, click on duplicate and put the second one here like this. So check link in my bio to get TikTok manager. People who want to get TikTok manager, they will see this. They will check your bio on TikTok. You will put your affiliate link in your bio and that's it. Let's check the video now.
Hi, my name is Giselle, and thanks for watching.
And here you go. Your video is ready. Click on share. Click on download and go. And this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go and open your TikTok account. It's for free. TikTok has, I think, it has 2 billion monthly visitors. You guys don't know the potential of TikTok. You can get so much traffic from TikTok for free. People are selling products on TikTok, selling services. They are making so much money. Okay, they are using TikTok because there is a lot of traffic from TikTok and people buying those services and products from TikTok. You guys don't know the potential of TikTok. Create an account. This will be your account. Click over here on upload. Upload this video to your TikTok account. go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. You guys can't see this option if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, because if you have new account you can't see this one, Fiverr CPA old plan. For me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, go to TikTok, put your affiliate link in your bio, and that's it. Start promoting those services. It's super easy. It's gonna take just a few minutes from your time. You don't need to invest any money in paid ads. You can just use free traffic from TikTok and earn commissions. And that's it. That's how I promote my affiliate links on TikTok. That's what I do, and that's what made me a lot of commissions. If you guys want to see more videos like this, more methods, new methods, comment in this video affiliate marketing, like this video, and I will start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods for free. And see you in my next videos.